today we thought we would show you how to live like a whimsical winter Pinterest girl for a day and add extraness into her everyday life to get rid of the winter blues. It's exactly what we need. We struggle a lot when it comes to the winter blues, especially this year of all years, because we feel like we didn't have the summer that we wanted. And I feel like now the cold is here, it's like, ew. So we just need to feel extra this month. It's coming up to the Christmas festivities and I do not feel one bit festive this year. And I feel quite ashamed of myself really, because I love cozy, warm, festive days. Yeah, this is our season. It really is, but something's not in the air for us and it's not hitting the same. We just need this extra-ness into our life to feel cozy and warm and feel special. Just need to feel a bit more special this year. We need to take extra care of ourselves this year because we've been through it, and if you have been through it, this is the video for you. So we did start off our whimsical days by decorating our room. We first started off our whimsy life decorating our room. Something we are best at. We literally only did it a month ago, is decorate for autumn, and we were like, actually, what am I doing? I'm doing life wrong. It wasn't given though. No, the autumn prints and the room wasn't given. It was alright for us. It was alright for a split second, and I looked at it and went, ew, this is not me. No, it wasn't. There was something off about it, and we were like, let's change it up. I need girly in my life. I need to feel girl, and chic and whimsy and cold and winter, but also not too cold where I'm like, oh, it feels a bit cold in here. It still feels bright. So we decided to start off with our prints. This is like our main attraction in our room. Yeah, I mean for us anyway, because obviously this is our like centerpiece. And we live in this bedroom more than we should, and so obviously we need to make sure we take time and care into curating the right pieces. So what do? Pinterest, what I'm best at. But I searched up all the girly, chic, Japanese inspired prints. But also, for some reason, I kind of went for cats and bunnies. Yeah, there's a lot of cats and bunnies. And pink and blue and white. So I also kind of wanted to make sure it was festive, but not like screaming Christmas. That's kind of what we've actually done this year. Yeah. We're not really leaning into like the Christmas aspect of the season. We're going for more of a winter wonderland aesthetic. But also, we then moved on to our second centerpiece of the room. And that's when it kind of throw up a little bit of Christmas. It's not too Christmas throw up because we've not re-brought other things for the decor. No, but it still screams Christmas and it's winter. Nice because it's like chic and girly and clean, and it's exactly what I need. I just need fresh. Yeah, because I think what we also kind of need this year is a refresh before the new year. Kind of what whimsy feels like. It feels like you can kind of do whatever. You're just flowing and you're in space and you're free. You don't give a damn, and that's kind of what I need. I'm happy. Yippee! I just want to dance. Yippee! And that's what we've been saying. Our phrase recently is yippee! The last thing we did for our room, which is the most magical of all, is add stars and paper chains. You can't see them. You can't see the paper chains, but we added the coolest decor ever, which I'm gonna keep up forever, as long as possible. I mean, they keep falling down because they're just sticky tape. Yeah, and they're back up now, but they are beautiful. I've seen on our TikTok, actually, we are in the craft space on TikTok, and like the cutesy, chic, girly things, and so we're seeing a lot of paper chains and stars and birthday trend of, I don't know what it's called. called? It's like a certain, I think it's a TV show that has like, oh, you know what? Give me 1 second. Fancy Nancy.
Oh, I've not heard about that.
You haven't heard of that?
No.
So basically, I think it's a TV show, but I don't think we obviously didn't watch it.
No.
I've never heard of Fancy Nancy before. But if you search up that sort of vibe, Fancy Nancy is very like whimsical and colourful and girly and like, yeah, kind of leaning into your childlike self, because I think a lot of people, it's a childhood show for a lot of people. For us, it's not. She apparently has a birthday party where it's like paper chains everywhere, like streamers, and it feels very light, colourful and fun.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna keep them up forever.
Yeah, I mean, they're so nice.
I wake up and I'm just like,
it really
adds
does so much to your room.
Yeah.
And it does help actually, because our birthday is coming up.
yeah.
So we've actually decorated also kind of for our birthday.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's a 2-in-1 right now.
Yeah.
It's Christmas and birthday and making it more whimsy in the room.
And then of course we have to do a nice cutesy morning. And for us, I feel like a morning is meant to be slow, it's meant to be chill, it's meant to be easy. Because I think a lot of the time we want to complicate our morning, and that's when I feel like I have the worst rest of the day ever because I'm trying to complicate and do too much. Like I feel like sometimes we just need to slowly get into the day and like slowly get into doing things and plan. But not too slow where we then take our time getting ready, because I could spend about 3 hours getting ready. Finding a balance between being slow and being cutesy, but also not doing too much is useful. So we decided to have a cute little breakfast and do some eye masks. So today's plan is 1, to make a fun drink, 2, to make some DIY crafts, and 3 is to make a fun little gift box for someone you love. And so let's start off with making a fun little drink for us. Just made a coffee, but not just any coffee. This is a carrot cake inspired coffee. We thought this was quite a whimsical drink, also very like wintry and spicy and cozy and warm, even though it's iced. We didn't really think about the iced aspect. Yeah. But I saw this on TikTok and I thought, I want to try that. I want to see if that would be a nice drink. Because we don't really go out and get like any of the new like viral festive drinks or just like flavoured drinks, you know? Like you see like Blank Street or, I don't know, other chain coffee places that do fun flavoured drinks. And so we don't really go out and do that. So actually having a homemade version of a festive, fun drink, it's quite nice. It's quite nice. So we're going to give it a taste test for the first time. It looks stunning. It looks so cute. And we also even brought little ice cubes to make it even more aesthetic. And just fun and cute and whimsy, because it's like, it's quite, it's just like you wouldn't normally make yourself a drink like this, like on a daily. That's what I'm saying, like, it feels like we've gone out and gotten this drink, but we've made this at home and I haven't have to leave the house, which is kind of a win-win for us anyway. So I might have to give this a mix, which is a bit sad. Yeah, we've also put little gingerbread man on top as well, so he's going to slowly sink to the bottom. No, he's sinking. My guy's sinking. This looks amazing. And it's pretty simple to make. Yeah, I'll link the TikTok in the description, because when I saw the video I went, I need to make that. I need to try. Cheers. Wait. That's so much nicer when you mix it. You can't have the syrup at the bottom.
Oh, that's nice. Way better than something that you'd buy outside.
I think we've gotten disappointed a few times, like when we brought drinks out.
We actually have a vendetta, I think, against like coffees outside.
Yeah, I've never really had a good one.
I've never really liked any of them. Because even hot chocolates, they just never make it good. Like, you know it's just a drink that you can make 10 times better at home.
Look at that sun coming in. Feels like a summer day when you're sitting indoors. Anyway, we shall drink our drink and we're gonna get started on our sock, cat and Miffy. Because the cat and bunny obsession doesn't stop here.
Hell yeah.
It is a few days later. We are going to carry on with our whimsiness days, becoming the most whimsy person you have ever met, which I'm not gonna lie, don't really understand exactly what that means, except I want to be fun, I want to be childlike, and I want to have good energy, especially going into a new year very soon.
Yeah.
So we thought we would start the day with a little bit of a bake and bake some childlike biscuits that we used to make quite a lot when we were children. And then we'll see where the day takes us. Probably making a cute little fun gift box for someone special. Before the Christmas crazy Central's gift box, because I think a lot of the time there's a lot of things you put on your Christmas list we actually kind of need before Christmas, and you would want before Christmas. We'll do that. And then we also do need to finish our cute little sock, cat and Miffy.
Yeah.
And I am in love currently with this. It's really cute and it was so fun to make, and it did take a little bit of time, but it was actually a lot easier than I thought as well.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna add some eyes, we're gonna add a nice cute little bow, and we are gonna watch a childhood classic film later, so we'll get to show you what we used to watch as children.
Yeah.
Because now we're getting old. We're getting old. Which is not a bad thing, because I don't feel old.
No.
So that's kind of a win-win situation here. So you're getting older without feeling older. Let's get to baking, shall we, for our special person. Yippee! 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 We have baked our cookies, we have made our gift box, and I thought we'll quickly talk through the gift box. The winter essential gift box for your loved ones, your friends, your family, your sister, your cat. It's turned out so cute. It's exactly how I wanted it to look, like a nice cute homemade gift hamper that they all love. And it's not too much where you're like, actually what can I now get them for Christmas? Because we kind of wanted to also give this gift box to someone special before Christmas, because the winter essentials is everything you need in this month and then going on into the new year, because you need cozy pajamas and cozy socks to keep you warm. You need food to keep you going, and also just some nice little hair care, skincare bits to just feel refreshed and rejuvenated and dolled up. And this is a perfect gift, I feel like, for anyone. I actually would love to receive a box like this. Same. And we're gonna give our gift to our person, and then we're gonna finish our sock. I keep saying sock puppet. It's not a puppet. Sock, cat, and Miffy. It needs some eyes, and then we're gonna watch a childhood film that we have yet to watch since we were like children.
Yeah.
But we have always thought about it, and it got to a point where we
Yeah.
actually didn't remember what it's called.
Yeah.
I always I envisioned what it looked like and what was going on, but we never like. But I remember having to search it up, like
Really
what the
figure
title
out-
was, and it's called The Magic Roundabout. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
And
Magic
I feel like
Roundabout.
that's a very whimsy film to watch. I don't remember what goes on. The premise is, I'm a bit scared that it's gonna go weird, because sometimes I feel like when you remember things from, I guess, when you were children and you rewatch it, you're like, wait, what?
Yeah, what's
Why
going on?
why did I watch that? Because like even remember the CBBC trap, is it the trap? Even thinking about
TV
that
show.
and watching the shows again, you're like, this is such a weird concept. So I'm excited to watch the film that we have recollected,
Yeah.
from
Like,
remembered since we were children,
Yeah.
and see whether it's exactly what you remembered, or if it's like,
Yeah.
because I think for us, my memories are kind of mixed into like different, especially when you're children. As
Yeah.
me as a child, I feel like most of my memories are kind of mixed and faded, so I'm a bit confused with like certain plot lines.
Yeah. Like I'm not.
So I don't know if I've like
Yeah.
mixed a few films together.
Like, part of me thinks
or...
it's gonna be like.
I mean, it's
Because I
in the
thought
title. I'm not gonna lie, I thought Narnia. That was one of another childhood film that we
Yeah.
watched, and
That's
I remember
mixed.
I remember
I
it
think
being
it's-
different.
Yeah.
Than when we watched
I think
it.
because we mixed it with another film.
Yeah,
Because it's quite similar.
because I feel like I remember a bit where they go outside, but not like outside the door, like out of the wardrobe. It's like an outside bit on the beach, and I think that's actually a film called Miss Peregrine.
Oh.
I'm mixing that film with Narnia.
Yeah.
But even though I think they're two different, like
Two
Narnia
different-
and like that Peregrine, I don't know if that came out the same year, but for some reason my brain is putting that together. But also I'm also now thinking the film that we're gonna watch, I think I'm mixing it up with robots
Oh.
for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah. I'm
Like, you
excited to
kind of
watch it though.
mesh them up
Because
together.
it's very childhood.
Yeah,
film.
I'm excited.
I think we used to have figurines.
Yeah,
of
we used
that
to have like
film.
some sort of toys with it.
something to
Yeah,
do with it.
and it has like
But
a
yeah.
dog, and I mean it's in the title, but I do remember a roundabout.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see what that actually looks like. But I don't know if they go into like a they
I was
go
gonna-
on the roundabout and then they like.
I think it's magic though. I think it.
Then they go into the new
You know what's
world.
funny? I was gonna describe it as the title,
But it literally is called the Magic Roundabout.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll watch that. But
Yeah.
we're gonna give this first. And
Yeah.
we're not gonna film it because it's just a bit weird.
Yeah.
Like, hello, do you like it? Do you like it?